This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Anita Farley-Guynes. Some properties have to be seen in person as pictures do not do them justice. This is one of those properties. Build your dream home and watch the sunrise and set from this wonderful lot. Enjoy your favorite beverage while looking at the majestic mountain view. Lot is rolling, allowing for all types of home construction. Topaz Lane is very near the front of spectacular Rock Harbor, making ingress and egress easy. The subdivision boasts a very nice marina with covered slips, basketball court and picnic area, putting green and more. One of the most scenic subdivisions in East Tennessee, this is an opportunity to get your piece of property heaven. For more information, review the details below or contact Anita Farley-Guynes at 865-687